Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G13, and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. First, let's open the Play Store application because we should get the X-Icon Changer app from the Play Store. And now let's get this application. To do that, tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, we should just open the application. Tap to allow and select one from the available applications. Which icon you want to change, you can rename it if you want. Here we can see the folders with our device, the icons with different icons. You can also use photo from your device gallery to take a picture right now in camera app. Let's just use one from the available icons. Tap to OK in the right upper corner. Now we just should skip the ads. So click at the home screen, change next icon by the same way, or just click to go to desktop directly, and this is the new contacts icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.